There's this trade ambayo I took in the morning, and it was a very good trade in the London Open. And I wanted to share the analysis with you for learning purposes so that you can know how this mechanical analysis inafanya kazi. Basically, as I told you, we use multi-time frame analysis, ambapo we start with the higher time frame, tunashuka until the lower time frame. Okay, so what I'm going to do to you here is I'll make it simple, man. As I was learning, I learned that making things simple, that's the best way. So I won't make it very long. I'll just make it simple and straight to the point. Hi, my name is Amos George, and welcome to this lesson. I'm about to talk about my users this day, and let's get started. So basically, I'm on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see here. This is GBPUSD. This method can be used even in crypto or forex or anywhere else. So because the technical analysis haijalishi what you're working on. And basically what you can see right now is we have this very good downtrend. Lows are being made from this upper side going to the lower side. This is from yesterday. You can see this is 12 midnight. There was a very sharp, I think it was news or something that caused this sharp spike. But right after that, there was a very good downtrend, as you can see right here. So that's what I used as my bias, that I'll just be finding shorts or selling. So in a downtrend, you always sell, okay? After that, the analysis that was done in a 1 minute time frame. Okay, the chart is still dirty, but ila nitaonesha like how basically it was done. Okay, I looked at it from this point of view. So there was this point of interest ambayo nilikuwa nayo, and I was waiting for prices zirudi mpaka huku chini. So the downtrend iliendelea kama kawaida. So ilikuwa ni around 8 a.m. kukawa a change of character at this point. So babe, tunakumbuka kwamba the meaning of a change of character is when the prices zina reverse, zina kuonesha kwamba there is a reversal. So hapa katikati there was a change of character, and this change of character continued to the extent ikafika paka my point of interest ambayo ilikuwa ni hapa hivi juu. You remember this part hapa. This is the point of interest ambayo ilikuwa imefikia. After reaching hapa sasa, the main things ambazo tunatakiwa tuziangalie sawa ni kuangalia the supply and I'm sorry. Ni kuangalia zile points za supply na demand sawa ambazo ndo ziko sehemu hii hapa hivi. So we wait for the reaction itokee hapa. Na reaction hapa hivi ni kwa ajili ya zile confirmations za kwako kwamba are we buying or are we selling. So if the prices are to pass this point hapa na kunipa a very good confirmation kwamba it's a buy signal, I would have bought. Lakini for me, as I told you from the higher time frame, ni kwamba we are looking for sales. So I was waiting for a very good signal kwa ajili ya kusell. Na confirmation yetu ya kwanza, there was a certain change of character hapa hivi katikati. If you can see it properly, hapa, I haven't marked it. But there was a change of character, kumaanisha kwamba the prices sasa hivi zinaelekea in the sell position. So it's a very good sign. And you can see there was a liquidity hapa hivi juu. Well, if somebody was to enter earlier, angechukuliwa na hii liquidity ambayo ilikuwa hapa hivi juu. So after seeing this change of character, I was waiting for a certain break of structure ili kunionyesha kwamba there's a certain bearish engulfing ambayo imeweza kutokea hapa. So about the break of structure, as you can see it happened right here. Okay, this is a very good break of structure kunionyesha kwamba there's a continuation trend, kwamba sasa hivi sasa we are moving from the buying position. Right now we are going to sell. So this break of structure inaniashiria kabisa kwamba we are going to have a very good sell. So what I have to do right now is just to create my points of entry. Nikaiweka point of entry in a position ambapo itakuja fill up this fair value gap ambayo ilikuwa inaonekana hapa hivi katikati hapa. This candlestick ambayo imeonekana ni ndefu. So this point ilikuwa ni point yangu nzuri sana kwa ajili ya kuweza kupata my points of entry. And as always, we always have two targets. So the first target is a 3R target, which was around this area hapa katikati, and another target is 27R ambayo ni huku chini, giving us a very good 7.21R as you have seen it here. So to make a recap of this video is that you wait, you have to be patient. First of all, you look at the general trend, ambayo if it's a buy or if it's sell from the higher time frames, and then after that you make your points of interest ambapo unategemea the prices will make very good changes. So either it's continuation or reversal, and then after that we just have your own points change of character, points break of structure, or any other confirmation that you're using so that you can enter into a trend and use a very good risk to reward ratio ili uweze kupata very good results. That's it for today, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please click the subscribe button hapo chini so that you can share it with other people and you continue to learn. Thank you.